The middle class has long been seen as the backbone of society, a place of stability, comfort, and opportunity. For decades, it represented the dream of a better life. Owning a home, raising a family, and building financial security through hard work and determination. But today that dream feels increasingly out of reach for many. Rising costs, stagnant wages, and mounting debt have left millions struggling just to make ends meet. The traditional roadmap to success, get a degree, work hard, and save for retirement, seems broken. Instead of thriving, the middle class is stuck in a cycle of stress, debt, and financial uncertainty. In this video, we'll take a closer look at why the middle class is struggling and, more importantly, how you can escape the cycle. We'll uncover the hidden traps keeping so many people stuck and share practical steps you can take to break free and start building lasting wealth. The challenges are real, but so are the opportunities. If you're ready to understand the system, break free from the struggle, and create a better financial future for yourself and your family, stick around, because the path to freedom starts now. Why is the middle class struggling? The truth is, the financial landscape has shifted dramatically in recent decades, creating challenges that are harder than ever to overcome. Housing prices have skyrocketed, putting homeownership, the cornerstone of middle-class stability, out of reach for many. Healthcare and education costs have soared, forcing families into debt just to access basic needs and opportunities. At the same time, wages have barely kept up, leaving little room for savings or investments. And that's not all. Automation and outsourcing are reshaping the job market, creating uncertainty for millions of workers. The rise of credit culture has normalized debt, making it easy to overspend but difficult to get ahead. But here's the most important thing to understand. The system itself has changed. The old advice, work hard, save diligently, and you'll be fine, is no longer enough. To escape the struggle, we need to understand these challenges and adopt new strategies that align with today's reality. The middle class struggle isn't just about rising costs and stagnant wages. It's also about mindset. Many people are caught in a cycle of working harder to afford a lifestyle that's built on debt and overconsumption. This cycle, often called the middle class trap, is fueled by societal pressures. The need to keep up, whether it's buying the latest car, upgrading to a bigger home, or spending on unnecessary luxuries, can lead to financial stress and dependency on the next paycheck. But here's the hard truth. No matter how much you earn, if you spend more than you make or rely on debt to fund your lifestyle, you'll always feel stuck. Breaking free requires a complete mindset shift, from consumption to creation, from spending to investing. It's not easy, but it's the only way to truly escape the cycle and build lasting wealth. Recognizing this trap is the first step. Once you see how it works, you can start making intentional choices to change your financial future. Now that we understand why the middle class is struggling, the question is, what can we do about it? The good news is, escaping the middle class trap is possible, but it requires a combination of mindset shifts, strategic planning, and actionable steps. In this video, we'll share 4 key strategies to help you break free from the cycle and create a path to financial freedom. These strategies aren't about overnight success or risky shortcuts. They're about taking control of your finances, making intentional choices, and building habits that lead to long-term success. The road won't always be easy, but the rewards are worth it. Let's begin with the first strategy, which focuses on redefining how you view and use money. The first strategy to escape the middle class struggle is to shift from spending to investing. For many, income goes directly toward expenses, debt payments, or discretionary purchases. But the wealthy take a different approach. they focus on turning their income into assets. Investing isn't just for the rich. It's about using what you have, no matter how small, to create opportunities for growth. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or even a side business, every dollar you invest has the potential to multiply. Start by reviewing your current spending. How much of your income is going toward things that depreciate, like luxury items or entertainment? Redirect even a small portion of that money into investments. Over time, these decisions compound, creating streams of passive income that can replace your dependence on a paycheck. The middle-class mindset prioritizes spending, but an investor's mindset prioritizes growth. It's time to start thinking like an investor. The second strategy is to build multiple streams of income. Relying on a single source of income, like a full-time job, is one of the biggest risks you can take in today's economy. If that income stream dries up, your entire financial stability is at risk. The wealthy understand this, which is why they diversify their income. This might include starting a side hustle, investing in rental properties, earning dividends from stocks, or selling digital products online. Each additional income stream reduces risk and accelerates financial growth. You don't need to start big. Even a small side project can grow into a significant source of income over time. Think about your skills, hobbies, or passions. What could you turn into an income stream? The key is to start today and let your efforts compound. Remember, financial freedom doesn't come from a single paycheck. It comes from building a network of income streams that work together to create stability and opportunity. These first two strategies, shifting from spending to investing and building multiple income streams, work because they change your relationship with money. Instead of just earning and spending, you're creating a system where your money works for you. Every dollar invested is a step toward financial independence. Every additional income stream reduces your reliance on a single paycheck. These small changes can have a huge impact over time, helping you escape the middle-class cycle and move toward lasting wealth. The key is consistency. Small, intentional actions, taken repeatedly, lead to exponential results. One of the reasons these strategies, investing and building multiple income streams, are so powerful is because they work together. When you start redirecting your money from spending to investing, those investments can grow and eventually become new sources of income. For example, dividends from stocks, rental income from real estate, or profits from a business can all become part of your income streams. Over time, this creates a cycle of growth, where your money isn't just sitting, it's working for you in multiple ways. The middle-class struggle often stems from focusing only on active income, your paycheck. But when you combine these strategies, you create passive income streams that add stability, freedom, and growth to your financial life. The goal is to shift from working for money to having your money work for you. These strategies aren't just steps, they're building blocks for a better financial future. The third strategy is to adopt a long-term mindset. One of the biggest traps for the middle class is focusing only on short-term goals and immediate needs. While paying bills and managing daily expenses is important, the wealthy focus on building a future that lasts. A long-term mindset means making decisions today that will benefit you years down the road. This might include investing for retirement, buying assets instead of liabilities, or choosing opportunities that offer growth over time rather than instant gratification. Ask yourself, how will this decision impact my life 5, 10, or 20 years from now? By shifting your perspective, you'll start making smarter financial choices that align with your bigger picture. Remember, wealth is a marathon, not a sprint, and long-term thinking is what gets you across the finish line. The fourth strategy is to reduce and avoid bad debt. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles keeping the middle class stuck. High-interest loans, credit card balances, and unnecessary borrowing create a cycle where a significant portion of your income goes toward paying off past expenses rather than building wealth. The wealthy understand the difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt, like a mortgage on an investment property or a business loan, helps you generate income or grow assets. Bad debt, on the other hand, is used to fund liabilities that lose value over time, like expensive cars or consumer goods. Start by identifying and prioritizing high-interest debt for repayment. At the same time, avoid taking on new debt for things that don't add long-term value. Every dollar saved from reducing debt is a dollar you can redirect into savings or investments. Debt doesn't have to define your financial future. By reducing bad debt and focusing on financial growth, you can take control of your money and create lasting freedom. These two strategies, adopting a long-term mindset and reducing bad debt, are game changers because they shift your focus from surviving to thriving. A long-term mindset helps you prioritize decisions that build wealth over time, while reducing bad debt frees up your income to invest in your future. Together, these strategies create a solid foundation for financial independence. Think of it this way: every dollar you don't spend on interest payments is a dollar that can work for you through investments or savings. Every decision you make with a long-term perspective moves you closer to your goals. These aren't just strategies, they're habits that change the way you approach money and opportunities. The fifth strategy is to develop high-income skills. In today's economy, the middle class often relies on traditional jobs with limited income growth. But the wealthy focus on building skills that offer higher earning potential and greater flexibility. High-income skills, like coding, sales, copywriting, or digital marketing, are in demand and often allow you to earn more in less time. The best part? Many of these skills can be learned online or through affordable courses. Take a moment to assess your current skill set. Are there skills you could improve or new ones you could learn that would increase your earning potential? Remember, the more valuable your skills, the more opportunities you'll have to grow your income and escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. The sixth strategy is to network with the right people. There's a saying, your network is your net worth. The wealthy understand the power of relationships in creating opportunities, learning new strategies, and accessing resources. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and have the knowledge or experience you want to gain. Join professional groups, attend industry events, or connect with mentors who can guide your journey. Networking isn't just about what others can do for you, it's about building mutually beneficial relationships. When you surround yourself with the right people, you'll find new doors opening and possibilities you may never have considered before. The seventh and final strategy is to create and stick to a financial plan. Many in the middle class operate without a clear roadmap, which makes it easy to get stuck in reactive spending and debt cycles. A financial plan helps you define your goals, track your progress, and stay focused on what truly matters. Start by setting clear priorities, whether it's saving for a home, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Break your goals into smaller, actionable steps, and review your plan regularly to stay on track. Remember, a plan isn't just about numbers. It's about creating a vision for the life you want and aligning your actions with that vision. These final strategies, developing high-income skills, networking, and creating a financial plan, are powerful tools for escaping the middle-class struggle because they focus on building a stronger foundation. High-income skills boost your earning potential, networking connects you with opportunities, and a financial plan keeps you aligned with your goals. Together, These strategies give you the clarity and resources to move beyond surviving and start thriving. Remember, escaping the middle-class struggle isn't about one big leap. It's about consistent, intentional steps that compound over time. We've explored 7 powerful strategies to help you escape the middle-class struggle and create a life of financial freedom. From shifting your mindset to building income streams, reducing debt, and developing high-value skills, these steps are designed to transform how you approach money and opportunity. But now it's up to you. Which strategy will you start with? Are you ready to make the small, consistent changes that lead to big results? Remember, the middle-class struggle isn't a life sentence. It's a challenge you can overcome with the right mindset and actions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us bring you more tools and insights for financial growth. And let us know in the comments, which strategy resonates with you the most? Thank you for watching, and here's to breaking free and building the life you deserve. See you in the next video.